Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Removal. Remove the four 10mm T6 Torx head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the two 3.5mm T6 Torx head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Starting with the rear edge, carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.